So predicting outcomes is telling, guessing what will happen next in the story. Just like what we have done from the pictures I have shown you. You can make a guess by looking for the clues in the story and understanding events by the pictures. We can also give the meaning of prediction or predicting outcome as it is made about the outcome of a future event based upon a pattern of evidence. For example, Maggie knew a storm was coming. The sky was gray. A strong wind began to blow. Thunder rolled. Maggie decided to go outside and play or stay inside with her family. So the answer for this is she will stay inside with her family because the given clues inside the paragraph is the word or the words, the sky was gray. A strong wind began to blow. So there might be a storm. So she decided to stay inside with her family. Next example. Brandon woke up excited and happy. The sun was shining. It was a perfect day for a trip to the beach. After a few seconds, Brandon jumped out of bed or rolled over and went back to sleep. The answer is Brandon jumped out of bed because the given clues here in the paragraph, Brandon woke up excited and happy. So, he decided to jump out of bed because he is so excited for a trip to the beach. Very good. Next, another example. Dee was ready for the dance show. She had done her steps over and over. Before the show, she felt sure of herself. She smiled as she came onto the stage. Then Dee forgot all the dance steps or did the dance well? Yes, the correct answer for this is Dee did the dance well because of the word or the clues given on the paragraph. Dee was ready for the dance show because she had done her steps over and over. Nice! We did a great job. Next, let us try to answer the activity number 1. Here is our activity. Directions. Draw a line to connect the idea on the left to the picture that will most likely happen. So here are the given. Number 1. The sky is dark. What do you think will happen if the sky is dark? Look at the picture that will most likely happen from the given sentence in number 1. That's great! It is on the third picture. If the sky is dark, then there might be a storm or a thunder. That's great! Number 2. Ryan eats a lot. What do you think will happen to Ryan if he eats a lot? Great! He will get fat. Very good. And the third one? The pupils study their lesson well. What do you think will happen if the pupils study their lesson well? Great! They will get high scores. That's great! And the last one, the children keep their toys in proper places. What do you think will happen if the children like you keep their toys or things in their proper places? That's great! If you are going to keep your toys and things in their proper places, then your surroundings and your environment will be clean. That's great! Very good! Next, let's try this. Teacher will read the following situations below and give the letter of the correct answer that tells what happens next in the story. Number 1. Nigel is a grade 2 pupil. She is very industrious. She has a habit of practicing cursive writing every after class. What do you think will happen next? Is it letter A, she will have good handwriting? Letter B, she will find difficulty in writing? Very good. She will have good handwriting. Next. Number 2. Jade baked some brownies. She put them in the oven, then went outside and jumped into the pool. She swam for a long time. What do you think happened next? Is it letter A? The brownies were deliciously cooked. Or letter B? The brownies were overcooked. Very good. The brownies were overcooked. Great! Number 3. The wind started to blow. Dark clouds drifted in. Cracks of lightning were seen, and booming roars of thunder were heard. What do you think happened next? Is it A? It started raining. B. The sun shines brightly. Very good. It started raining. Next. Number 4. One day, Greg left his toy truck on the stairs. His mom came down the stairs carrying a laundry basket piled with dirty towels. She stepped on Greg's toy. What do you think happened next? Is it A? His mother walked fast? Or letter B? His mother slipped on the stairs? Very good. His mother slipped on the stairs. Great job! Very good. 3 stars for you. Great job! Next, what is predicting outcomes again? Nice! Predicting outcomes is telling or guessing what will happen next in a story by making a guess or looking for the clues in the story or understanding events by the picture. Or we can also give our predicting outcomes by giving the results of what will happen based on the evidence. Remember, making prediction is also a process in science based on clues and evidence. Just like the examples that we gave a while ago from our activities, if we saw a dark clouds and a thunder is coming, then that is scientifically based and the evidence there will be a storm or a storm is coming.
We also learned about being helpful and to be clean not only for ourselves but also in our environment to keep us safe.
Let's try this. On this activity, you will need a pen and a notebook. You can also ask help from your parents or guardians in answering our activity. We can do it. A little frog saw a big fish. The proud frog shook his head. I can be bigger than that fish, said the little frog. He puffed himself with air. More air. Puff, puff. More air. What do you think will happen to the proud little frog? Draw your prediction inside the box. I will give you 10 seconds to answer or to draw your answer inside the box. Let's start. Is this your answer? Then that's great.
Next, a boy is crossing along the street. Suddenly, a car comes so fast. What do you think would happen next? Draw your prediction inside the box.
Next, another activity. Directions. Look at the pictures and give the next event to happen in a given situation on the space provided below. John is playing in the mud. Then suddenly, his mother came. What happened next? Great! If your answer is like this, he changed his clothes and his mom got mad. Then you are great. Very good. Next. Kim swung so high in the swing. Then the rope loosened. What happened next? That's great! If your prediction is like this, she fell on the ground. Then you are correct. Very good.